Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install the current Eclipse version, that is Eclipse 2021-06. So I hope you know a prerequisite for installing Eclipse is Java. So we will also see how we can install the current Java version, that is Java 16.0.1. So here it is guys. At first we will download Java 16.0.1. Go to the browser. We are using Chrome, you can use any browser. On reaching here in type Oracle Java, press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, oracle.com. Click on it and open. Now here is the Java's official website. Here download Java is visible, click on it. Herein you can see Java 16 is visible. The latest version is Java SE 16.0.1. So I'll click on JDK download. So guys, you only need JDK nowadays to run a Java program. JRE is by default inside JDK. So when you will download and install it, JRE will also get installed. I'll show the folder also wherein we will install Java. Click on JDK download to download it. Now we have reached the download section. Go below, herein different versions are visible for Linux, Mac as well as Windows. Since we are on Windows 64-bit, we will go for the following installer. Click on the exe file to download it. Now click on I reviewed and accept the Oracle Technology Network. Now the download button is visible. Click on it to download. Now Java JDK 16.0.1 is downloading. It's only 151 MB. Let's wait. So guys, we have successfully downloaded JDK 16.0.1. Double click on it to install. Let's minimize this. So guys, here it is. Welcome to the setup. Click on next. Here in the destination folder is visible. The 16.0.1 JDK will get installed under C program files Java folder. If you want to change it, you can change the location from here, but I'll keep the default and click on next. Now it is installing. Let's wait for a few seconds. Guys, you can see we have successfully installed it. Now click on close. Now let us set the path. So to set the path, we need the path of JDK. We installed it under C drive, you saw before, program files, and here in Java folder. Here it got created. You can see the time. It just got created. Click on it. Now herein you can see the JDK path is visible. So I told you before, JRE is not required. It is inside JDK only. The reason, you can refer the link in the description of this video. I already published a video stating that why JRE is not required in the current Java 15 and 16 versions. Double click, bin path, copy the bin path, that's it. After copying, you can go to start, type environment variables, click on edit the system environment variables, the first one. Herein guys, we are under system properties advanced tab, click on environment variables. Now from here guys, what you need to do, you can see environment variables are visible for user variable. If you want the variables to be set for the entire system for every user, you can go for the system variables. So to avoid any future errors, any path issues, I always go for system variables. It's a good practice. Herein go to path, double click on the path. Now guys, you can see all the paths we have set here for different languages are visible. Click on new and just paste the path we copied before. This path. Now guys, we have set the path. Click on OK. Again click on OK and the last OK to apply it. Now we have successfully installed Java 16.0.1. Now we will verify the installation. Go to start, type cmd, click on open. From here in guys, let us type a command to check that we have successfully installed Java or not. Type java -- version and press enter. Now Java 16.0.1 version is visible. So guys, we saw how we can easily download and install Java 16.0.1. So here is the location. We installed it under program files Java, and here is the JDK 16, that is Java 16.0.1 location. Here it is. Here is the bin path. So Here we install Java 16.0.1. Now let us see how we can download and install Eclipse 2021-06 version. For that we need to download it. Go to the browser. We are using Chrome. You can use any browser. On Google type Eclipse. Press enter. On pressing enter, the official website will be visible, eclipse.org. Open it, click on it. After opening it, click on download. Now on clicking download, below you can see 2021-06 version is visible, and we are installing for 64-bit. So this is what we want. You just need to click on it to download. Click on it. Now guys, the mirror is visible. Click on download. So guys, the download started. You can see 111 MB. You need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, the download completed. As you can see here, the exe file is visible. Double click on it to install. Minimize this. So guys, here is the installer. Now different versions for Eclipse are visible. Here is Eclipse for Java developers. The following is for enterprise Java and web developers. C, C++, embedded C, C++, PHP, Java and DSL developers, and all these. Since we are going for Eclipse installation for Java, so we will go for Eclipse ID for Java developers. Click on it. On clicking, you can see it automatically detected that we are having Java 16.01 on our system. So this is a prerequisite for Eclipse. I hope you remember I told you that we installed Java 16 in the following location, JDK 16.0.1, and the same it detected on its own. And here is the installation folder. If you want, you can save this. Here it is. So our installation, so our Eclipse will get installed here. It will also create a start menu entry as well as a desktop shortcut. Now we will click on install to install. You need to have a good internet connection to install Eclipse. Click on it. At first you can see the user agreement. Click on accept now. And now install it. It's getting installed. Let's wait for a few minutes. The installation is successful, as you can see here. Now we got a desktop shortcut also. Now I'll click on launch, or I can also click on here. Let's click on launch. Now it is starting for the first time, 2021-06 version. Now it is asking us to select a directory as workspace. So workspace is a place wherein all the resources of the project will get saved. That means the plugins, your files, folders, project will get saved at the same location. I'll just copy this path and I'll just paste here. So herein all our projects will be visible. Now I'll keep it as default so that I don't need to set it again and again. I'll click on launch now. So guys, Eclipse started for the first time. Here was our Java folder and here is our Eclipse installation folder. Let's go. Here it is, Eclipse installation folder, and the following is our workspace. Herein all our projects will get saved. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Java 16.0.1 as well as Eclipse 2021-06 version. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks.